Piney Point. This is Sharon Seiler with Common Threads. You guys might have seen me around here doing cooking and nutrition education with you. We've been in the PE with Miss Ryan and Mr. Cahey. Some things we've learned about this year are fruits and vegetables, whole grains, proteins, healthy fats, and how to reduce your sugar. I hope you guys are enjoying it and want to continue with you. Don't forget to eat half of your fruits and vegetables, at least 5 servings every single day. Have a good day!
Panthers, my name is Carla Erazo and I do cooking and nutrition education. Remember that every week we're going to try a new recipe, delicious and healthy.
I want to learn how to cook healthy meals with fruit and vegetables.
I want to learn how to cook so I can help my mom with salads.
I want to learn how to fix healthy meals and snacks.